Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I am going to give my first impression of Saffola Masala Oats. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So guys, this is the packaging of Saffola Masala Oats, and they have clearly mentioned that on the front side of the packaging. Also, they have given the image of the oats that has been already been prepared, and they have mentioned that ready in 3 minutes. Also, they have mentioned that everyday veggie twist. Guys, note that this is a vegetarian product and they have given the green logo on the top right corner. Now let's see what is there on the red side. On the left side, they have mentioned that Saffola Fit Foodie, and they have mentioned the website, that is fitfoodie.in. Also, they have mentioned that veggie twist, and at the right side, they have given a small information about oats, that is, oats has high fiber and protein. Oats are high in fiber and source of protein, which keeps you full longer. They have also mentioned that the smarter way to stay fit. Now let's have a look at net quantity. This pack is 500 grams and it is batched before 9 months from the date of manufacturing. They have given the MRP, that is 195 rupees, and they have also given the manufacturing date along with the batch number. They have also given the images of other Saffola Masala Oats. On the left side of the packaging, they have given Saffola Masala Oats Advantage, that is 100% whole grain oats, high in fiber, source of protein. They have also given the nutritional information. You guys can pause the video and have a look at it. Just below the nutritional information, they have given the ingredients. On the right side, they have given the cooking instructions. They have also mentioned that dial a dietitian, and they have given a toll-free number and their website. Now coming to the bottom part, for feedback, they have given their address and their contact number along with the email ID. And just below that, we have the manufacturer's name. This product is manufactured by Marico, and they have given the manufacturing address and other details. We also have FSSAI license number on the pack. So guys, this was a quick impression of Saffola Masala Oats.